Hey everybody, this is Videobob and welcome back to Videobob's RV and Tour Bus channel. So I'm inside my 1990 Prevost and I have done a lot of upgrades to this thing, and one of the things that people love when they come on here, they love my security system. Most RVs and tour buses, they all put a TV right up here up front, usually right above the driver or right in the middle or right in this very area. Now, nobody wants to watch a 27-inch TV anymore. They got rid of those. We're not doing that. I installed a 60-inch TV. We'll do a video on that later on. I covered up these two windows and put this TV in on my rock and roll bus. But for here, I wanted the security system. Now here's the trick. Where are the cameras? Well, there's already a camera in the back used for the backing up system. There's already a cable that runs back to that. All you got to do is tap into that one. I went down to Sam's Club. I bought a regular old 4-camera security system, just like you would put at your house. I think it was a Samsung. Or maybe it was a Night Owl. I don't remember which one. But the point is the cameras are high definition, the cameras are waterproof, and they're tough. I spray painted the camera housings to match the paint of the exterior of the coach. And I can show you on another video later where I mounted them, but it's pretty obvious where I put them. I put one at the very front, pointed down towards the road as a sort of a dash cam. I put one on each side, shining down the side of the bus, so I could see down the length. Now, I can't really see the screen while I'm driving, but the point of this is while I'm sitting here on the couch watching TV, maybe I'm in a Walmart parking lot in a sketchy side of town, I can look over here at my monitors and I can see anybody in front of me, anybody in back of me, and anybody walking up and down the side of the coach. And the best part is I have a 24/7 security system that's running on a battery backup, mind you, inside. It was really easy to get to because when you take this TV out, you can access on the other side of these panels, you can access the sides of the coach pretty easily. Drilled a little hole through the fiberglass cap that's on the front, mounted the cameras on the 3 sides, and I didn't have to run any wires. The wire that's already running down to the rear video camera, I just tapped into that, put a doubler on that from my screen that's on the dash, run it up there. Now I have 4 cameras, but actually there's 5 cameras. I put an extra camera right here. This camera's on the inside of the coach all the time. Now, why would I have a camera running on the inside of my coach? Let me tell you something. One time I had a bunch of people on, and I wasn't paying attention, and there was some people on here I didn't know. They went into my fridge. They stole my bottle of liquor. They stole some of my candy. I came back and go, hey, where's my Fireball and my Snickers bar? Everybody denied it. I went back and watched the camera. I found the bastard that did it. I found him! So sometimes you're having service done, and or maybe there's people on here, or maybe you're a rock band and you're on tour. Okay, now sometimes you may not want your activities recorded in here, but wouldn't you rather have a recording at your choosing on a password protected thing that can protect you if you need proof of something that did or didn't happen, right? Girls wants to claim that you raped her and she's sitting there on the couch passed out while you're back there and there's no video of it. Whatever the situation is, I got a video camera pointed down this entire thing. And if anything ever happens in here, I have the password to get into this thing. Now, here's the other thing. There's no access to this. You know why? There's a wireless keyboard and mouse that I have locked up in a cabinet. I can access that keyboard and mouse, log in with my password. Nobody else has access to this thing. It's running 24/7 and on a battery backup. It's great. It's a great idea, and I recommend it. You should have a security system in and on your tour bus and RV like this. More than just a dash cam. A thief can break in and just grab the dash cam and run away with it. They wouldn't know where to begin with this thing. We're going to talk about other security measures for your bus or RV later on, like GPS tracking that's powered by a solar panel that's up on the roof, stuff like that. That's what this channel is all about. I'm Videobob, and please subscribe to Videobob's RV and Tour Bus channel. And here's the next cool video for you to watch. I'm Videobob. Thanks for tuning in.